Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Hyundai key fob battery used for different years, different models. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Also a flathead, a little big flathead. I'll show you in a second how we do it. Pretty easy. First we have to take the emergency key out by pressing this button right here and we can pull the key out. Now right here there is, I hope you can see, small slot right here. Maybe you will see it better this way here. Here we go. Okay, you will fill it. What you do, you just insert the flathead, okay, and you turn clockwise. Okay, once again right here, and you turn the key fob. Now what happens, it opens a gap right here and you can gently open the key fob. Okay, now no need to apply a lot of pressure. Just do it gently. Here we have the battery. Okay, as I said, CR2032. I will use a small flathead to take it out. Just push the battery. Okay, now this is a good battery, so I'll use it again, but as you can see, 2032. If this falls, it's okay, don't worry about it. Just put it back as it should be. Alright, now we'll take the new battery and we'll put it inside. Take the cover, tighten everything, make sure it's okay. Put the emergency key back. And as you can see, you can check to make sure that the battery works. Everything's good. That's it. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you're saying. Thank you.